Over on the extreme edge of the East Cape of the North Island is Te Araroa, population a few hundred. Mr. and Mrs. Len Nata both work in the local store.
I handle all the drapery side in the shop. I do all the buying for the store and all the selling to the customers. Mr. Morgan, the manager, he handles all the menswear.
Len Nata has a desk job.
I handle the books, the accounts and the cash, and keep the records up to date.
With the older people dying, our generations, the last to know the old traditions about the marae and tangis, things like that. The youngsters aren't interested.
Most of our children don't understand anything like that now. They are more interested in what they hear on the radio or see on television or movies, pop music and other party things.
Moana Nata has just left school. He likes to fill in time mucking around with the neighbours' buses. He doesn't want to be a motor mechanic, though. In fact, he doesn't really know what he wants to do now he has to find a job. Moana doesn't see himself as the survivor or a trustee of a fading traditional Maori culture.
Many Maoris around here, very few of them can speak the Maori language. When the parents speak to the kids, they speak in English. In a lot of families, the children can't even speak their own language.
They can understand it, but most can't speak it.
Katerina's aged 19. She's going school teaching in Samoa with a volunteer service abroad scheme. Hinero's 16, still at school. Doesn't know what she'll do when she leaves. Moana is 18. There's nothing for him to do around here. He'll have to go to the city to get a job.
There are only half a dozen shops in Araroa. Nothing much for school leavers. Perhaps they can do some scrub cutting, fencing or shepherding out on the farms. There's not much right here in town. The young people just have to go to the cities to get work.